Updating your email address on Venmo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo application on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on the icon or your profile picture in the upper left corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Email Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Email option. Tap on it to view your current email address and the option to update it. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to save your changes and update your email address. Now your email address on Venmo is updated. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Venmo's help section or contacting the support for assistance.